So welcome back. Now we shall talk about your choice. Let us say that after going through this basic course about the stock market, you decide to deploy your money in the stock market. Now once you understand the conceptual knowledge about the stock market, you will be able to decide whether you want to be an investor or a trader. In the stock market, you can either be an investor or you can also be a trader apart from other things. Okay, let us say that you want to put your money in the stock market, you want to purchase some shares, and then you want to remain invested in those shares for more than 3 months. If that be so, then you can call yourself as an investor. If you purchase some shares and you remain invested in them for a period of say from 3 months to 12 months, then you can call yourself as a short-term investor. But if you choose to remain invested in a particular share for more than 12 months, then you can call yourself as a long-term investor. But suppose you want to put your money in a stock or a share and you want to exit before 3 months. That means you have purchased some shares but you don't want to remain invested in those shares. You want to sell them off in less than 3 months. Or you want to indulge in frequent buying and selling of shares. Or maybe that you want to indulge in selling before you actually buy. Now remember, in a stock market, it is not necessary to first purchase, wait for the price to appreciate and then sell. You can do it otherwise also. You can sell when the price is high and then repurchase when the price becomes low. If that is what you want to do, then you will have to call yourself a trader. So once you have decided whether you want to be a trader or an investor, accordingly you will have to pursue your learning, because the trades or the learning required for an investor and a trader are entirely different. If you want to be an investor, then you will have to learn fundamental analysis. But if you want to be a trader, then it is not necessary for you to learn fundamental analysis. That will not be of much use to you. But you will certainly have to learn technical analysis. Got the point? So accordingly, once you have decided whether you want to be an investor or you want to be a trader, then you can pursue your further learning. Alright?